I felt like I died and I went to heaven of skateboarding.
Retiro espiritual para os skatistas. A única regra que tinha era não ter regra.
Contest invitation is not a contest, a skateboarding event is a gathering.
Barraca, fogueira, churrasco, amizade.
That's fun. This is all I want to do for the rest of my life.